Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to customize home screen and the app drawer on TCL NxtPaper 7A Pro. I'll get you through everything, adding widget, changing the apps, changing some settings, changing the wallpaper, and so on. Let's first go to the settings to adjust a few things. When you go to home screen and lock screen in the settings, you can find home settings. Then home screen style is very important. You can either set it to home screen only, then all of the apps that you have on your phone, all of them will be shown on the home screen. But you can also set it to, instead of that, set it to home and drawer screen. Then here you have only the apps that you put there yourself, and then when you slide up on the screen it will show you the list of all apps sorted alphabetically, which is useful, I think. You can also find historically used apps, so it will show you like 4 suggestions, and you can also select whether you want it to add app icons to home screen when you install an app. Now let's go out of it. You can also change the home screen grid to 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, or 5x6. I'll do 5x5 and let's apply it. Now you can see the grid is changed. When I go to the settings now, I can also adjust other settings, but those I will actually skip. I'll disable hot apps, and then I'll disable Google Feed as well. Google Feed is the one that when you slide like to the -1 page, like farmost to the left, then it shows you Google News. You can keep it, but I just want to show you how to disable it. Then I also disabled hot apps. It was like the folder that showed up here. Now let's see other things that we can do. When you press and hold, you can change the wallpaper and style. You can go to home editor and to like drag pages to adjust their order, which is also quite interesting that you can do it. But you can also move apps very easily here and select multiple of them. Like that. And then you can drag all of them. Well, I did fail, but you really can, like that. You can also, in that home editor mode, you can select multiple ones and uninstall them, remove them, stuff like that. So that's useful for uninstalling a bunch of apps at once. Now, but you can also just move an app by pressing and holding on it and starting moving it, or press and hold on it and remove it, or something like that. Now, let's go to widgets. When I press and hold on a widget and release it, I can now resize it. And then I can put a folder right next to it, for example. But I can add my own widgets by going to widgets by pressing and holding on the free space on the home screen. Then you can go to any kind of widget that you would like. Let's maybe do the Gmail widget to see my recent mails. Then select the folder, and there it is. I currently have nothing in my inbox. I can also resize it. So that's also great. I can, for example, reserve a new page for it. I'll remove this app from here. Then I'll put it on the whole page, so it's very like readable, and it almost acts like an app. I can remove this widget, for example, by pressing and holding and dragging it to remove. Now let's go to the last thing, which is going to be wallpaper and style. Then you can go to wallpapers, and you can change your wallpaper to either one of your photos from the gallery or the ones that are provided here. And I do like this one a lot, although I did like the other one that was there even more. This one to be precise. I can click on apply and apply to home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll do just the home screen, and there it is. Now this is what my home screen looks like. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.